Let's start this question, largest number, and then it's given a list of non-negative integer array, right? We need to arrange name such that they form the largest number and then return that. And then you can see the two example, and then you can see the noun with the integer type, right? Now you can see here COMNET. So many COMNET asked this question recently. I think you need to prepare if you have interview with this county. I think you need to prepare. Now let's see here. I just pick the second example. So now maybe first time you were thinking, hey, we can solve it, right? If we solve it, so now it's 34, 30, and the 9 find 3 because it's integer, right? We can solve it, but you can see we know the 9 should be come before, right? We need to sort it by the 9, even though it's one a single digit, but you can see here double digit, right? Double digits. But the problem is we don't need to care about is single or double or the triple digits. We only care about the if this array have the should be start from 9, right? 9. If the array have 9, start from 9, okay, we need to put the 9 first. But the problem is here not only not the problem is, for example, okay, you can see the example that I have 9, right? Now, so who come first? So maybe you're thinking, okay, US it's 34 become before the 3, right? And after that we need to add the 30. But here, how to get this way? Because if we just solve it, but here we know 34 will come first. Yes, 34 will come first, and the 30 will come later, and then 3. But it's not largest number, right? Because 303, if we try to this way 34, and over you can see here. Oh, sorry, here. You can see 34, 3, 30, right? So you can find out, okay, actually this one should come before the 30. So we don't need to care about how many digits. It's not depending on the double digit should come first or triple digit come first. So how to do that? Actually, we need to convert because you see it's the integer type, right? So actually we can convert the integer to the string, right? After that, we can use the compare to. But even though we use to the compare to, we saw that the problem is the 3 will come before the 34 and then count count 30. But here also it's not largest number, right? We know here you can see 34 should come before the 3. So that's why the question is why here is challenging. So we need to use a spatial way to form the largest number. How to do that? So we don't need to care about 9 and 5. So we know this 2 is greater than the other 3 number, right? Because this one is first digit is 9, here is 5. So we don't need to care about. We just talk about the edge case. We just only care about these 3 number. How make sure 34 come before the 3 and append 30. So next we need to know. So here, so we can use the sorted, yeah, but we need to add 30 and 30 plus 34. Here is not add, it is not appending these two string. And now, so that's why I mentioned before, we need to convert this one to the string type, right? So now we will get the 34 and the 30. And here we got the 30 and the 30 and the 34. So you can see which one is bigger. So you can find out, okay, this one is bigger, right? Because it's 34. Here, the second digit is 0. The second digit is the 4. So what you mean? 34 is 34 should come before the 30. Now, we need to take another example. So here, okay, if we have 30, 34, right? Now, and the 34 plus the 3, and then we reverse these two numbers, 3 plus 34. And then let's see who is bigger one. So we know here we got 343, right? And then you can see here we will get 334. So which one is bigger? Definitely this one, right? So we know 34 should come before the 3. So now here we know this always put the first. But here we're just only comparing the digits. First digit is 3. Now we don't care about these two, okay? After here, we just need to know 3 come before the 30 or 30 come before the 3. So now also do the same way. Now we can erase here. So now we have 3 plus 30 and the 30 plus the 3. And then we can here the first one again is 303 and the 3, oh sorry, here should be 330, and then the second one 303. Definitely here is bigger, right? So now we get an idea. So 30 come first, and then after that you need to append 3 and append 30. So you can see here we will get this part, right? So now we have solution. Now just remember we just append the two number, and then we also reverse these two numbers. Let's see who is bigger, and then we can know who should come first, who comes second, right? Now let's do here. So I mentioned we need to create a string. Now make sure we need to convert each number to string. Now so we can do here, or you can use the string value, right? After that, we need to sort it. And okay, next here, now we can provide the lambda expression. We need to b plus a. So we can put in the b plus a that compared to the a plus b. So why b should come before here? Because we need to sort in descending order, right? If we here sometimes if you put a plus b and b plus a, now you will get a number, you will get a string in the ascending order. But we don't want to, we need the descending order, right? And the bigger one should come before. Now come first, right? And the bigger one should come first. Now here we need to return in the array now we just return a geostring, because here you can see the constraint, because maybe the main takes care only one element, and then the one element just the 0. So that's why we need to check if 0. Okay, we just return the 0. Otherwise, we just read string drawing empty. So actually, you also can use the for, right, to appending all the number, right? It's Oh, sorry. It's up to you. Oh, let's see. Okay, some problem here. So remember here. So why here? Because string have to use equals method, because equal method can check the contents of two objects. If we use equal operator, which means you're just comparing the reference, the address, right? So we don't need to take care of about the reference of both objects. We need to comparing their value, right? So that's why here we need to use the equals. So sometimes I always make small mistake on here. So hopefully you can remember this one. Now the time complexity is n log n, right? Because I showed it. And I also use the HR memory here. So the space complexity is B of n. So thank you for watching this video.